Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert comments in Google Slides. So for example, if you have the presentation where you want to add your comments, you need to select slide where you want to insert it. So for example, I select the second slide because I want to add here the comments. After that, I need to click on this one option. This option is Add Comment. Alternatively, you can try to use shortcut from your keyboard, Ctrl-Alt-M to do it. But I don't want to use this shortcut now. I will click on this function, this icon to add a comment. And here you need to type your comment which you want to insert. So for example, I type here, "It is simple comment." After that, I click on the comment button to post a new comment. And how you see it has been successfully added here. Remember that you can add here multiple comments if you want, so I can click on this one icon one more time and I can type here another comment. For example, "It is second comment." Now I click comment button again to post it, and how you see, it really works, yeah? So if I helped you to add comments in Google Slides, so remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's solved your problem.